Perhaps you're curious why there are so many types of burners in pizza ovens and how to choose the one that's right for you. Most portable pizza ovens on the market feature either jet burners or U-shaped burners. Today, we'll compare our best-selling jet burner models with our U-shaped models to clearly show their differences, so you won't have to worry about choosing a combustion method. In short, U-shaped burners heat up faster than jet burners and maintain temperature better after the pizza is out. But they consume more gas. The U-shaped pizza oven, firing on 3 sides, has more heat zones, allowing it to reach 350 degrees quicker. The jet burner's oven heats slower, but can still reach nearly 400 degrees after 20 minutes of preheating. As long as the temperature is sufficient, both models can bake a pizza in under 90 seconds. However, our tests confirm that the U-shaped burner uses more gas. That's it for today's pizza oven overview. If you have any more questions, we'll test and answer them for you. We are Ovendesign, the professionals in designing, manufacturing, and selling pizza ovens. See you next time.